Welcome back, everyone. Today it is time to make some noise. We are going to put the bypass valve adapter on the 2016 Fiesta ST, essentially making the bypass valve a blow-off valve. This valve runs off of an electrical connection instead of a vacuum reference line. This modification is safe to run without a tune, and you should not receive a check engine light. The adapter comes with the correct hardware, and you'll require a 5mm hex. The bypass valve is located behind the right tire, as if you were sitting in the car. A 3/4 socket takes off the 4 lug nuts. Reach back and locate the bypass valve and its electrical connection. Unhook the electrical connection by pushing in the tab and pulling it out. As you can see, you have absolutely no room to work back here. There's really nothing you can remove, the axle is in the way, and good luck getting that out. I hope you've organized your tool chest lately, because you are going to need to find every single little socket and extension you absolutely can to put this piece in. Remember that there's limited space, so your drivers are going to need to be a certain size as well. There's really no guesswork on the installation. The valve only goes in one way, so you can't mess it up. If all the bolts are aligned, you've got it correct. The car's so much fun to drive, and the blow-off valve just makes it a little more fun. Just have fun, be safe on the roads, everyone. SVTWRC, subscribe if you have not. Smash and destroy the like button. We will see you next time. Later.